Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Binance Visa card. First, ensure you have a verified Binance account, as this is a crucial initial step. Then, locate the card section within your Binance platform, either on the website or through the mobile application. You'll need to confirm your eligibility, which typically depends on your country of residence and the level of verification on your account. This process is designed to be straightforward. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, you'll select your preferred card currency, such as euros or another supported fiat currency. Carefully review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Next, accurately enter your shipping address where you wish to receive your physical card. Double-check all the details for accuracy to avoid any delays. Finally, submit your application and patiently await approval, which usually happens quickly. After your application is approved, you can fund your Binance Visa card by transferring supported cryptocurrencies from your spot wallet. When you make a purchase, your crypto is automatically converted to the required fiat currency at the current market rate. This allows for seamless transactions. You can then use your card for both online and in-store purchases, wherever Visa is accepted, providing great flexibility for your spending. The Binance Visa card offers several benefits, including zero administrative fees and competitive exchange rates when converting your crypto. You can also earn cashback rewards on eligible purchases, adding value to your everyday spending. For those looking to deepen their financial understanding, check out the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. It's a fantastic resource for financial growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.